Very nice. That is the best thing to do with your leftover rice. We are recording. Oh, it's been a while. What do you do when you got leftover rice? You make fried rice. We are making a vegan fried rice here. We got some vegetables, we got some green onions, we got some carrots, we got some mushrooms, we got some edamame, onions, garlic, and ginger, and some tofu. So let's get into it. This video is sponsored by Kum Kee. They've graciously sent us some of their sauces. I already had a bunch of these in my fridge, so I am a user of Kum Kee. We got some premium soy sauces here, dipping sauce. In this video, I'm only gonna be using 2 of them. So the sesame oil, I love this stuff. I already had a full bottle of this right here. So I'm actually not gonna crack this because I already had one as a customer of Kum Kee. And I'm gonna use the premium soy sauce. So I'll use the premium soy sauce and the sesame oil. And for future dishes, you know, when I make gyoza, I'll use the sweet soy sauce and the dipping sauce for it. Or if I make a stir fry, I'm gonna use the mushroom flavored soy sauce. All this is vegan, so yeah, let's start using them. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cut our tofu here, and we're gonna cut that into cubes. I've already pressed it, got the water out, and you know, normally fried rice is using egg, but we're actually gonna be using tofu as the protein, and I'm gonna try and get it nice and crispy too. So this is gonna work really well, and it's gonna be the first thing we cook. Cold oil, and we're gonna fry this up first. Okay, we're gonna prep our vegetables now. So we'll start with the mushrooms. Kum Kee offers a wide range of pantry staples that make it easy to make Asian-inspired, authentic dishes at home. Okay, a bit more oil in the pan. We're gonna start frying our vegetables. They've been making great sauces and condiments for over 100 years and are really great at helping to elevate leftovers like this dish here. And we're gonna prep our garlic and our ginger. Okay, onions have started to brown, in go our mushrooms. Okay, we're gonna get both the carrots and the ginger in. I didn't want to put oh, that was garlic. I didn't want to put the garlic in too early because I didn't want to burn it. And on that note, I'm gonna start peeling the ginger. With ginger, you can actually peel with a spoon. And so if you don't want to take off too much, this ginger is a bit dried out, so it's a bit more challenging. But yeah, instead of like chopping off everything, you're just getting mostly the skin when you peel it with a spoon, versus if you use a knife or a grater, you can take off a bit too much. In goes the ginger, a couple tablespoons, heaping. Gonna add a little salt to the tofu here. Okay, prep the green onions. I got a whole bunch here. First, I'll go with the whites, just the ends, cut them down. Pretty thin slices. And then once you get past that, you can go for a bit wider. And we're just gonna go all of that inside. And the last ingredient we got is edamame beans. Okay, we're gonna crack this premium soy sauce. And I have some rice vinegar, so I have 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. You can also use black vinegar, but we want something acidic here. And in go the soy sauce. So I'm going for about 2 to 3 tablespoons, but I'm cooking a lot of food, so I'm gonna do this a bit to taste. So we'll taste it and then see if we need to add any more. Okay, now we are going to mix that all together and mix in our sauce. And we're going to set that into the other pan. Let that stay hot. Add the rest of our oil. It's about a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons. And then our rice. So I got about 4 cups here of cooked rice, maybe 5. It's been chilled. I'd say it was cooked yesterday. Day-old rice is preferred, but I cooked it an hour ago, maybe 2 hours ago. And yeah, frying it in the oil right now on high heat, medium high. Okay, we're gonna add some Kum Kee sesame oil. You want to do this after the rice is already cooked a bit. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. It has a relatively low smoke point, and so if you're cooking on high heat, you never really want to add sesame oil during high heat, but I can actually add it to this, or I can wait till that's done, either or. I'm gonna cook that for another minute and then add the sesame oil. Okay, in go the sesame oil. So we're going for about 2 tablespoons. And now we can mix it all together. I like a little sweetness in mine. You can add a bit of sugar, tiny bit, or some mirin. So I'm adding about a teaspoon in there. And we are done. Little soy sauce for garnish. I got the sweet soy sauce here. And voila! Very nice. That is the best thing to do with your leftover rice. Nice, delicious, healthy fried rice, all these vegetables. That is a good meal. I encourage you to check out Kum Kee at your local grocery store. There's been awesome additions to my kitchen and to my fridge and to this meal. So thank you for watching. Encourage you to watch some more videos. Got lots of great content on here, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit me a comment down below if you want to say hi. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.